Hi darlings, today we're going to learn how to braid this jumbo afro twist, the short version. So let us get started. Straight to the point, I will use that coily I don't know, it's called jelly curls, this kind of hair, or you can use expression or any kind of hair that looks like this, and then you just separate it as you can see. And then for the size that I want, I will go with 1.5 piece of this hair. If you want more thicker, you can put 2 to 3 pieces of hair, and my hair is braided, pre-braided, as you can see. I have those. You can do 3-strand twists or 2-strand twists. I have 42 braids on my head, on my natural hair, 42, because I want it fuller, and this hair is super lightweight, my loves, I'm telling you. So I'm just going to insert the crochet needle like that, and then insert the extension hair. As I told you, I used 1.5 of extension hair, 1.5 piece of hair. So yeah, then I'm just gonna show you. Make sure you put away your natural hair, and then you just separate them. I mean, like you crisscross them. So I just pin my natural hair so that it doesn't get on the way, and then I'm just wrapping them. I'm twisting them lightly. That is the secret to this style. If you twist it too tight, it's gonna either form a 2-strand twist, or it's gonna look weird and different. You will not get the same results. So just lightly you crisscross them. You crisscross them lightly like that. It's not even a 2-strand twist. You're not even doing a 2-strand twist. I can't call this a 2-strand twist because that's not the look we're going for. So lightly, don't make it too tight. Just loose. It has to be loose, but not too loose, because if you make it too loose, it will also come different, and if you make it too tight, it will also come different. So just crisscross them, the hair, like that, just like you're doing a 2-strand twist, but not don't use a heavy hand. Don't make it tight, okay? So I just did that. This is the shorter version. I did the longer version of this hair, and you guys demanded a shorter version. So for the shorter version, I did not connect. I did not add on extension. I just ended just the length of the hair that I have. Yeah. Then I just wrapped it around my finger in the end, and I'm cutting the unnecessary, that fluffy whatever. And then to hide your hair, you just insert the needle, the crochet needle, in between the braid that you made. Make sure it's in between. Make sure that the crochet needle is not showing on the braid. And then you go straight until you reach where that your original hair is, and then you just attach it, hook it to the crochet needle, and pull it inward. That is simple like that, my love, because I tried the other method where like you braid the hair with the extension, but then in the end I ended up doing too tight. But this one was perfect because I want it loose, and it looks very secure. I'm gonna pull it closer so you can see it's very secure. And when I did my braids under, if you feel like your braids are too tight, then I'm gonna show you a method. I felt mine was too tight, so I took that comb, and I'm combing the root of my hair, just to create that loose kind of look and more rough and not too neat. I don't want it to be so neat. Please subscribe down below, leave your comment, and tell me where you're watching from. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've learned, and I'm sorry for putting this video so late, my loves, and hope to put more videos. Subscribe for more and leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye bye.